Now, let's go to the next section and see how we can develop apps easily based on Huawei HiAI platform. As the final example of this section, let's see this short film for a while. All in all, the Huawei HiAI platform brings you a fast, simple, and mutually beneficial experience to deliver the next generation mobile experience. Those who have AI capabilities can use the HiAI Foundation, while the HiAI engine is available for those without AI capabilities. And for regular app developers, they can use HiAI service as a service provider. What Huawei wants to do is to connect developers, stimulate innovation, and achieve ecological win-win. Various creative projects using HiAI are under their way. Here we can see some examples. You're also welcome to join these projects. We believe that AI can make life better by bringing unprecedented convenience for both the backend and the devices. However, this requires actual application scenarios that allow more enterprises and developers to play a part in improving user experience and sustainability. Huawei is willing to work with partners to jointly promote the intelligence transformation of industries with more developers and enterprises based on the HiAI 3.0 platform. Okay, let's conclude this section with the summary of what we have learned so far. First, we introduced the current AI industry ecosystem. Based on the understanding of the AI ecosystem, Huawei proposed the Huawei HiAI platform. After the introduction to the features of this development platform, we showed how easily you can develop apps based on our Huawei HiAI platform. We hope this course was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next chapter.